This is a brand new upgraded intelligent remote control lawnmower. The machine uses professional export-grade tires, high-quality rubber materials, and precise craftsmanship, which is more wear-resistant, has excellent shock absorption performance, and good quietness.
The machine uses a branded engine and can be started manually with a key or remotely.
For safety reasons, in order to prevent weeds and gravel from splashing out when the machine is working, high-quality rubber barrier curtains are used at the front and rear.
When we open the control box, we can clearly see the sophisticated integrated circuit control system, which is not afraid of high-temperature environment, making it more durable.
The machine's cutting system uses imported blades that will not break when the blade hits a stone or a wood pile. The swinging blade can effectively remove the resistance, preventing the engine crankshaft from being damaged by excessive force. The special device to prevent the blade from falling off is safer. Now let's take a look at its performance, shall we? Remote control to start the engine. Wow, great job! The engine is turned off during operation, and the remote control can start the engine again.
Remote control to shut down the engine. In case of emergency, the engine can be turned off by remote control.
Go ahead. Back. Rotate left. Rotate right. High and low speed switching. Cruise control. Yes, that is great. She's as flexible and cute as an elf. Would you like to try working with her?